Autonomous Vehicle Deployment Sequence 7-4 commencing. Stand clear of the tracks.
Everything starts with the right material.
Now that the materials are ready, it's time to transform them into the components that will one day leave Earth. The raw materials have become precision-engineered components. Now, the real challenge begins: assembling But a rocket is far more than its tanks. Next comes the process that gives it strength, precision, and
But a rocket is far more than its tanks. Next comes the process that gives it strength, precision, and ultimately
But even the world's most powerful engine cannot reach space alone. It must now become part of an even larger machine. The rocket now has its shape, but appearance is not enough. Before it can carry a single satellite into space, alignment stable. Initiating locking sequence now. Confirmed. Pins engaged. Thrust plate secure.
The rocket is assembled, but it still knows nothing. Before it can fly, every electronic system must...
All stations, report status. Go guidance.
Guidance is internal. Altitude and velocity nominal.
The rocket is now alive. But before it earns the right to fly, it must endure some of...
Status check on assembly stage 2.
Stage 2 is at 80%. Recalibrating robot arm 4.
Confirmed. Initiating the next sequence. Orion X assembly proceeding as planned. Bot status remains operational.
Confirmed. Timeline is green for final integration sequence.
Guidance is green, lowering final centimeter.
Copy that, standing by for lock confirmation.
Structural integrity nominal. We have a green light. Everything has passed, on paper. Now the rocket must face the only test that truly matters. Ignition. Telemetry nominal. Guidance systems showing stabilized burn. Confirmed. Mark the time. Test successful. The factory's job is finished, but the rocket's journey is only beginning. Next, this extraordinary machine will travel hundreds of kilometers to the launch site.
Ares 4 movement is nominal. All systems green.
Confirmed. Hydraulics stable. Proceeding as planned. Convoy is at the stop line. Confirmed. Crane 1 engaging rotation sequence. Doors are opening now. Go for green team entry.
Trajectory stable. Confirmed lock on the fixture. We are fully aligned.
Well done, people.
But this incredible machine holds even more secrets. Before we witness its ultimate purpose, let's uncover...
Three, two, one, lift off! Go, baby, go! We have cleared the tower.
Every rocket begins as metal. Every mission begins as an idea. And every giant leap begins inside a factory.